Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace the AC compressor on Chevy Equinox. This one will be the generation from 2005 to 2009, and it will also be the same procedure for Pontiac Torrent, since both vehicles share the same platform pretty much. So stay with us guys, let's go ahead and start on it now. One thing to do before you start the repair, you need to make sure that you empty the AC system, you take the Freon out, take it to a place that they recycle it, okay? They'll vacuum the system down, otherwise it's very dangerous job. You can hurt yourself, it's not good for your health, not good for the atmosphere, and it's illegal to take it out in the atmosphere. So we took it to a friend of ours that vacuumed it down, and now we're ready to go ahead and remove the compressor. So if you look through the engine compartment guys, you'll be able to notice the AC compressor, okay, this one down there. As you know, the serpentine belt moves the AC compressor, so we'll need to remove the serpentine belt first so we can actually remove the AC compressor. There is one spot on the tensioner pulley, okay, right there with a 3/8 ratchet that we need to get in there, and this one will be really tight fit, so we will need to find a lower profile one. Alright guys, so we couldn't find one that will fit there, so I'm gonna show you what we're going to use, but we definitely recommend using the right tool. We'll just get one of those straps, we cut the hook a little bit shorter, that way, okay, we can get it on the tensioner pulley. Okay, once we get it in, I'm gonna show you what it looks like and how we're going to remove it. Okay, check it out now. Okay, and now one person, okay, will be pulling it. Okay, and when you pull, you're going to release the pressure of the belt. Never put your fingers between the pulley and the belt, and we'll just pull it out of the top pulley, and that way it came loose. Okay, so we'll just leave it there for later so we can install the belt. Now we can proceed with the AC compressor and removing it. Okay guys, so now this bolt, okay, right there, that's the one holding the two hoses for the compressor. I think this one is with a 13mm socket. Okay, yep, right there. Let's see if we can get a little impact there, save us a little bit of time. Okay, there was a little bit of pressure in the compressor. Even though we vacuumed the system out, you can see there is always a little bit left. Always wear eye protection and gloves. Don't ask us why we don't. We should. Okay, so the hoses are out of the way now. Okay guys, so we'll take the belt of the AC compressor now. Okay, right here. We'll pull, that's the wire for the clutch. You press down, okay, and you pull. So now we have three bolts that we need to remove. Okay, let's see if it's with a 15mm. Yep, 15mm. And I believe those are pretty tight. So we'll use extension because you make it a little bit more convenient, I believe. Okay, this one is loose now. Now this one here, second bolt. Okay, now we have the third one here. Okay, awesome. We got those loose. We're almost ready to pull it out guys. It's very simple procedure on that Chevy Equinox or Pontiac Torrent. They're pretty easy to work on in general, with a few minor exceptions here and there, of course, like every vehicle. Okay, you can see how long the bolt is. That's the second one now, and we just have to remove the third one. You need to hold it after that. After removing the second bolt, you need to hold it with one hand because it's going to drop on you while removing the third one, and it's pretty heavy if you're not used to it and you don't want to hit you on the head. Okay, and now the last one. Okay, and this is the AC compressor. Okay, that bracket goes behind it right there. So we need to make sure that you keep the bracket for the other AC compressor. Okay, this is the other used one that we have. Okay, this is the unit right here now. He has the cap, so we'll need to pop those out, and there will be a little bit of pressure there, of course. So always pull it to the side, never look there, wear eye protection. Okay, this one didn't have much pressure, but sometimes they'll spill oil out. Okay, remove that one as well. Okay, so we'll get that mount that we removed, and we'll put the two bolts holding like that. We'll try to get it in like that so we don't need to adjust the mount. Let's see if it's going to work now. Okay guys, all we have to do now, get the 3 bolts tight, install the hoses, and install the wire for the clutch. Okay, so we'll get those tight and come back so we don't waste your time watching how we get 3 bolts tight. Okay guys, we got the bolts tight. We'll push the wire for the AC clutch. Okay, you need to make sure you push until it clicks good, it's stuck there. We got the hoses, so we have to do, put the nut, get those tight, and refill the system. So that will be, guys, the whole procedure. We have the video how to refill the system on our channel, Auto Repair, guys. Please feel free to check it out in the playlist. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.